Hey guys, in today's video I would like to show you how to disassemble MacBook 12-inch. It's from 2015 to 2017 one. A lot of people have an issue when they open back cover. They are ripping off flex cable which go into the keyboard. So that's a point of this video today. Okay, let's shut it off. This keyboard doesn't work, so at least power button is working. Alright, I already removed all screws, and they're P5, Pentaloop 5. After that, you will need some suction cup, or you can use like some prior tools, like plastic ones, and it has two holding pieces right here, so you will hear like clicking noise. Okay. After that, just don't pull it out. You need to be careful. Just open a little bit, and for more stability I'm always opening LCD, so it's kind of like holding by itself. So let's see what we got inside. And inside we got this flex cable right here, which connects to our trackpad. So the easiest way to remove it is from, at least in my opinion, is from trackpad side. I have these tweezers which are ceramic. You can also use like plastic prior tool, so you will not short those pins. So you let me focus on that. Okay. Focus. Come on. So right here, you need to lift it up, that plastic piece, like that. So when it's lifted up, you can hold this piece of tape and just gently pull it down. So they put a glue underneath, so it could be a little bit hard, but try to go even on both sides so you will not damage this connector. Sorry for shaking. Alright, so like that. We have our flex cable removed. After that, whole process is pretty simple. First thing what you will need to do is you will need to shut power on your motherboard. You will have a LED which shows you like kind of power status of a motherboard, and it's like very dim, but it has like white color. And here on the left side you have a power button, or I don't know, maybe it's like a reset button or something. You need to hold it. You need to hold it until you will see that LED will be off. It's gonna be hard to show you on the camera, but yeah, but that's what you need to do next. After that you can remove screws around, like 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. I already removed almost all of them except screw which holding motherboard to the battery. So I will just remove that one with a T5. Okay, so you will need to remove all screws around. After that you can lift motherboard up. You can put piece of paper or some plastic, and you can start working around with disconnecting all stuff or all accessories like LCD one. That's a cable which go into our trackpad. It's a charging port. Also, you will have a antenna, Wi-Fi antenna right here. Two connectors which are underneath of this tape cover. And this guy also need to be disconnected, which goes to the speaker, right speaker, left speaker over here. You just click out, pull it out, and also audio jack will be connected right here. You also need to flip this up and pull that flex out. So pretty much that's it, and I hope you guys find this video helpful, and have a good disassembling. Bye bye.